The V2 is the best vinyl liner detection equipment in the market, and here's why. So we've launched our VILO V2 with great success. It's hitting the industry really good. We're getting great feedback from all of our customers. Yet today we received an email trying to counteract of what their equipment is to our equipment. So let me straight up tell you the V2 compared to the LeakTrack and go head to head and toe to toe on each position. So let's start with the battery power. All these AA batteries in both the sender and the receiver, you're throwing money out the door. A big problem with this is they sit for the winter, they corrode, and they actually damage the product. With the VILO V2, you're able to recharge that. You could recharge it in your truck, you could recharge it in the office, and you're gonna have enough for a couple of days without spending that expensive money on those AA batteries. So now let's go to their float versus a solid stainless steel transducer. The floats corrode, the coppers corrode, and we don't have to reposition this anywhere. Because we have a dial-up transmitter, we could send this at one spot in the middle of the pool and it can handle the whole entire pool without having to move that, without unnecessary strings, without unnecessary weights, and without unnecessarily throwing it in the middle of the pool and getting it all tangled up with the probes. So when we talk about light covers, we're not talking about a bicycle tube that goes on a plastic piece and covers the light. We don't need any of that. We could dial down our potentiometer and we could listen to a light with a pool scope to rule it in or out, whether it's at the niche or whether it's at the conduit. We could say that light is leaking and not even have to point to it. Let's talk about our cables, and let's talk about our easy to wrap, nice cables that we go on both probes. But if you see the bird's nest and you see what happens to those wire lamps, or basically regular corded cables that don't even belong in the water, we're comparing Teflon coated cables to actual lamp cords that will bundle up, that will tangle up, and there will bird's nest in the box. Now let's talk about our floor probe and wall probe compared to one probe that you're getting from them. First of all, you could pick these up from far away. All you gotta do is dial up the potentiometer. It's gonna put out double the output that the LeakTrack is gonna put out. Another thing is by having the wall probe and the floor probe, you're able to rule out false positives, which are the biggest issue when it comes to using any vinyl liner leak detection equipment. Aiming down at the floor will stop you from pointing at a false positive. Aiming at a wall will stop you from pointing at another false positive, and it's gonna put you over those leaks from distances all the time. And did I say using a rusty screwdriver compared to an actual solid ground? This is what I'm talking about. Whenever I see false information put out there, I have to attack it, I have to get on it, and I have to show reality. Like all of our LeakTronics stuff, the V2 gives you a 5-year bulletproof warranty. Nobody else is doing that in the industry. The V2 is the best equipment for finding leaks in vinyl liners, hands down.